What's up, everybody? Figured I'd do a quick live stream while I'm downtown real quick. I'm about a block out from the Media Effects Lab. It does feel like this city is alive, which is awesome. And I'm definitely going to be coming back here on the regular because I'm already falling in love with MIT. It's like, I mean, how can you not, though? I mean, it's actually supposed to snow today, which is crazy. So we're going to see what that's like. We'll see how it goes. But hope everybody is holding it down back in Tally, and try to make you proud. All right.
And Josh could now actually join.
That's really great.
Josh is starting the VR part. Yeah. So there's a little ghost in there, which Sam can control, with a stick.
Yep.
So it's moving around. And Josh, are you starting? So now he's starting the VR part.
Yeah, this is wonderful.
And he will actually be. So you should just look here.
It really takes a village to pull this off. And while you guys were all dealing with merge conflicts and this place. So, some of them were actually over at Stata setting up for the expo. This journey never ends for us.